Whenever I speak, I translate in my mind. Is it good or bad? Is it good habit to translate in our mind as a beginner or a bad habit? Guys, let me clarify everything in this video. If you are a beginner, you have to watch this video because so many beginners are afraid of translating. Guys, obviously in starting you don't have the words. You are unaware about the words. You are unaware about the sentences. You are unaware about the vocabulary. You don't know anything. So you will have to translate. First thing, sort it out. Sort it out from your mind that translating is not a problem. Translating the things, translating the sentences is not a problem at all. It is not a problem. As a beginner, I also used to translate everything. I used to learn Hindi to English. I used to understand the things Hindi to English in starting. I did a lot of things. I did a lot of translation. So I did not used to think that translation is a problem. No, not at all. But here is a catch. If you are translating for a long time, like you started learning now, and you are learning this language for 2 months, practicing every day, you are learning Hindi to English sentences, and after 2 months, even you are learning, you are translating, that is a problem. That is a problem. You have to get yourself out from this process soon. Just learn so many sentences, just translate in starting. In starting 1 month, you have to do a lot of practice, lot of learning, lot of translation. And once you have got the things, stop. Stop translating. Just use direct English sentences. Just start watching English to English videos. Just start watching those videos who are just having a conversation totally on English language, totally in English language. You have to start watching those videos. And starting, you have to translate, you have to watch Hindi to English videos. You have to learn Hindi to English daily life sentences for using. There is no harm. There is no harm. This is not bad thing. If you are doing, you are good to go. You are on the right track, definitely. But sometimes after 1 month, stop translating, stop learning Hindi to English sentences, start learning English to English. Because now you are having enough content in your mind, enough knowledge in your mind, and you can use that knowledge in a good way. You have started understanding English. Now you are able to understand. And many of English learners, I know they can understand English, but they cannot speak. If they can understand, they just have to watch total English videos, English to English videos, rather than Hindi to English videos. If you are watching Hindi to English videos, stop. Stop watching those videos. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. You are wasting. Just start watching English to English videos. These videos will help you to get to the new things in your mind, and you will start thinking in English language. You will be able to speak very good English if you are following this process. If you are following this process, as I have told, first start Hindi to English, everything, and then switch yourself totally on English language, only on English content. That is the good process. That is good way to go on your path. That is where, if you are going, you are on the right path. You are on the right path. That is good thing. Don't worry about it. Don't take any kinds of hesitation. Don't think too much about. That's good. that is good. Okay, so I think you have cleared your doubts. You have understood what is good or what is bad. Is what I mean, was it helpful or not? If it was helpful, so please comment on my video. That I will definitely follow your thoughts. I will definitely follow your steps. And like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. We will meet in another very specific video. Okay.